Hey, Rainbow here with a quick tip and a question for you. This chain right here has 24,000 miles on it. It's the original chain. The sprocket wear and the chain wear seems to be working pretty good. I was asked at one time to show how to do cleaning and lubrication for this chain on the Multistrada, but I said there's already a ton of them out there. What I do have is a video on how to adjust the chain on a Ducati Multistrada. I'll put a link. Well, this is gonna be a short. Anyway, so here's the question. I'm a firm believer. The reason why this looks so clean is because I scrub the hell out of it and then I wash it down with a hose and then I dry it and rinse it again before I put some lubrication on it and a little bit of wax to put a coating on it. All right. So let me know if you guys are interested in a video on how I clean and lubricate the chain.